Okay, this is the third video. So I think we have to come back to the PMT here. I need to explain a little bit about the this formula. So I move to the sheet 2. Sorry. Sheet 2. I need to give a bit theory about, but I don't waste much of your time. So this is we just have to check from where PMT formula come from. Okay, so this is the issue. Okay, let's say you have so this is the situation is that we have this is what we call annuity. Okay, so you have to pay the same amount, equal amount every period. So here we have the condition, or I think there's a two characteristic, at least two characteristic for annuity. First is you have equal cash flow or amount, and then you have a regular interval. So that that cash flow paid on a regular interval. For example, every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly. Okay, all right. So this is the two characteristics of annuity. Okay, so for example, I put like back to the just put like a five months to give you the idea. So you have 0 here, and then you move. So this is a 5 period. All right. And then you have to put your money. For example, you invest plus 100, you got interest. For example, okay, just move it here. Yeah, so your interest is 5%, for example. Is it 5%? Yes. 5% every. This is year. I think the counter, I can put like a counter. So this is your invest. It's minus your interest. This is a counter 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have 5%. Then you got. Just put this name interest or rate interest. Okay, I think that's okay. So I just put 100 is invest. You can put the name invest if you want. So I just put F3. You got your interest here times your invest. What I'm doing here, just put minus here, and then you times interest. You just put F3 and then you go to interest. Okay, done, and then you just drag it along the way. Okay, so you got 500. So in the end of the first year, how much money you have? You have okay, just put let's see. You want to maintain the balance, maintain at your account. Okay, so you're going to maintain your account 100 here. So I just put minus F3. You go to invest. So you want to keep your 100 outstanding in your bank account until 5. Until 4, because yeah, you can say at now 5, and then you draw the money. So you got your bank account every month end of every year, this is the balance that you can see. Okay. But you want to draw the money, so you need to, you got the interest, then you want to withdraw. Well, come on. I don't know what's going on with my laptop. Let me stop first. Okay, so withdraw, you're going to withdraw your money, $5 here every month. So the balance will exactly the same with what you want to see. Okay, right? 100, 100, and then the last is principal withdrawal. Then you're going to withdraw minus 100. So just press F3, you go to your invest, right, and then ending balance is basically this one plus this one. Okay, right, hopefully you can follow me. So basically this is your money, so your cash flow is $5 because you withdraw. That's interest withdrawal. Come on. Okay, so your cash flow is 100 first. I don't really follow the good financial modeling because I just want to focus on the principal first, and then the rest is no, why is negative? Should be positive because you got the money, right? And then the rest is you got $5 here, put minus here, plus 100 here. So you got one. So this is your cash flow for the 5 years. I put yellow, bold, and then okay. So let's see how to put that into the formula. Okay, you invest 100. This is your initial investment. So I will put so if we put into the formula, you can say that the present value okay, invest 100, and then I got how much? This is what I got. Okay, I got interest first, and then I got my money, my principal back. Okay, just put here, yes. Okay, and then you got your principal back 100. Okay, so what we can say is the present value, your 100 first, is equal to the present value of a 5-year annuity of $5 per year. Okay, plus you got your money back, so it's a present value of 100 in 5 years. So hopefully you can follow me, easy. Okay, so the present value is 100 here because this is today, 0. The counter is 0. And it's the same with your present value of $5 plus you get your money back. So if you put into so if you want to know your present value of 5-year annuity of $5 per year is equal to PV 100. You don't have to put one. Yes, PV 100, because this is a T equal to 0 minus your PV 100 in 5 years. Okay. And if you want to put into the formula, it is not really difficult. So 5-year annuity of $5 per year equal to PV of 100 is your money borrowed or you invest. So you can put your principal P. I put principal P minus principal divided by 1 plus your interest, your A, and then you have 5 years here. Okay. You can prove that easily if you want to put like, so you have your P here, you have your R here. Okay, your P is your 100 here. Just put minus here, and then your R is your, you can put, okay, you can put F3 if you want. F3 invest, okay. Just put minus here, and then F3 again, you can put your interest. Okay, 5%. Okay, so you put that into, so your N or your formula is 5 years. Okay, then your PV 5-year annuity of $5 per year is equal to your P first 100. Just put 100 here. Oh, come on. Yes, that correct. Yes, minus P 100 divided by 1 plus your R, and then you have a 5. So it's a 21.6 point. Okay, I will keep that way. So present value. So your present value is 21. Okay. Now you want to know, we want to bring that formula to periodical, or in this case annual installment. Okay. Because from that amount, 21 is a present value. It's not the annual installment. Okay. So we have formula. I copy here formula here back to here. Okay, let's see. Your interest coming from your annual installment times your your interest, your periodical installment is the same with your interest times your interest rate times your principal, right? Okay, because if you going back to here, you got $5 here. This is your annuity, right? You have 100 that you have to reinvest every month. Every year. So your periodical installment, let's say I will put like annual. So let's see. Okay, periodical installment is your A is okay. Okay, let me see, can I put that? So it's equal to interest, your R times your P. So if we rearrange that, P equal to A divided by R. Okay, I don't know whether it's correct or not, but I will try that. So the present value of 5 year, let me see, this is the first time I try that. I don't know whether it's correct or not, but let me see. Equal to R divided by R. Okay, see this formula, and then you minus R divided by A divided by R divided by 1 plus R divided by N. Oh no, 1 plus R, and then you have N here. Okay, so present value of 5 year annuity of $5 per year is equal to R A because you have the same, and then you times again 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus R, and then you have the power is N. I think that should be correct, hopefully. Yes, I will check that. So you got that amount. So your A is equal, let me see, let me stop this video first. I'm a bit confused. Okay, so okay, so your PV, okay, we already got that. Wait a sec, be patient. I'll be there quickly. So your PV, so I want to find the annuity or your periodical installment. So that will be equal to your PV 5 year annuity of $5 per year times, should be times, you see R here, times R. Okay, and then you have to divide it by this, the whole term. Okay, I will put 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus R, and then the power is N. I don't know whether this is correct or not, but I will test it. Okay, so back to this example. We have 2976. Okay, I will prove this formula. Okay, so we know that the monthly installment, I don't know whether we have a monthly installment. I put F3 here, I guess. Yes, that's a monthly installment. Okay, that's exactly the same with this. Okay, just put it yellow to make you a bit okay. So I have to prove this number using this manual calculation. This is equal to, let me see, PV of 5 year, we know this is the principal, so I will put here PV 5 year annuity of $5 per year this is the same with the actual loan or actual loan. Okay, so this is equal with actual loan. You have your R. R is your actual loan is equal to, I just put F3, you put actual loan. Okay, so it's a 95. Okay, it's a bit painful what I'm doing here. I'm a bit nervous. Okay, and then you have R. R is your interest, your monthly interest. Okay, I don't know, I put F3, you have your monthly rate. Okay, okay, and then I have your N. N is your this is your, I think, the term, the monthly term. Okay, I just put F3, I go to monthly term, hopefully it's there. Okay, right, so you have 36. Okay, let me put that into the formula above. So annuity I copy from here is equal to your, I put here, I think, just move here, I think. Okay, because I have to prove with this number. Is it dollar? Okay, just put here. Okay, so it's a present value. This should be your 5,000. I just put F3. So it's actual loan. Okay, times R. This one. You can put F3 if you want. Monthly rate, and then times 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus monthly rate, and then the power is 36 is a monthly term, and then you just, I think that's all. It's not correct. Let me check that. I stopped this first video, I check that.